Hello friends, here we quickly discuss about the basics of KCL, that is Kirchhoff's current law. So what does it states? It states or it say that in an electrical circuit, total current entering into a node is equal to total current leaving from the node. What do you mean by this? Suppose this is an example here. This is a node or which is divided into two parts, that is on the left side you see that total current, that is I1 and I2 are the two currents that is entering into the node, see, and I3 I4 are the two current that is leaving to the node. So according to KCL we can say that total current entering the node, that is I1 plus I2, is equal to total current leaving this node, that is I3 plus I4. So from KCL we can say that I1 plus I2 is equal to I3 plus I4. And you are seeing here that total current entering is equal to the total current leaving. It is saying means current is conserved, it is neither created nor destroyed. So as we know that also that current is the rate of flow of charge, that is dq by dt. So current is conserved and current is the rate of flow of charge. So we can say that it works on the principle of conservation of charge. As current is the rate of flow of charge, so charge is conserved at a node or current is conserved at a node, like that. And this is another example which I want to discuss here. Suppose this is a node and 1 ampere and 2 ampere are the current, you see that it is entering into the node, and 3 ampere is the current which is leaving the node. So we can say that 1 ampere plus 2 ampere is equal to the incoming current which is entering to the node is equal to 3 ampere, that is the outgoing current that is leaving the node. So 2 ampere plus 1 ampere, that combines the total of 3 ampere from the KCL law. Thank you.